Sri Ramchandra is considered one of the most important composers of the sweetest era of Hindi film music. To some extent, it can also be said that among the prominent people who created an era of melody in the film world in the 50s, composers like Sri Ramchandra deserve to be highlighted separately. His role remains relevant even today as he enriched the music of many classic films in the 50s and 60s with his experiments and innovation. Another uniquely attractive aspect of Sri Ramchandra's music was his mastery in adopting Western songs into authentic Indian music, which made his style incredibly authentic and innovative. Through films like Sahnai, Alvela, Sagai, Sin Sinkai, Bubabo, Ghungru, the talent of this musician was fully established in the early 50s. If you want to remember, you can easily recall songs like आना मेरी जान संदे के संदे, गोरे गोरे बांके छोड़े, शाम ढले खिड़की तले, तुम सीटी बजाना छोड़ दो, भोली सूरत दिल के खोटे, तुम क्या जानो तुम सीधी याद में रोए, तुम क्या जानो तुम सीधी याद में रोए, काली काली रतियां याद सतावे, एना मीना दिका, which even today are on the lips of music lovers every now and then, whom Doordarshan or radio is broadcasting them. Sri Ramchandra never composed his song based on a single raga. The rags of his Satya and Antara were often different. This was a special feature of his style. Perhaps that it is why, despite most of the tones in films musicians being based on classical music, they appear to stand in a different category of Sugam Sangeet. It is also important to mention that the popular thumris of this composer are also modified into film tones, which include many thumris of Ustad Bade Ghulam Ali Khan. कैसे आओ जमुना के तीर फ्रॉम देवता एंड ना मारो नजरिए के बाण फ्रॉम पहली झलक are the best example of this. Sri Ramchandra's command over string instrument and the interesting use of interludes gives his tones such a dance-like effect that, along with being popular, they also seem to be making a balanced part somewhere between eccentricity and classicism. In this way, with a little classical and technical experimentation, his tones becomes easily catchy, a lively types of music in which, apart from a mixture of regions, the influence of the West is also evident. The orchestration created from a combination of India and Western instruments has also added extra life to his liveliness, in which sitar, sarod, sahnai, tabla, sarangi, naal, dholak, manjira, ghungru, along with piano, mandoli, clarinet, organ, havaiya, Spanish guitar, and violin have been used. If a list of the most relevant films composed by Sri Ramchandra is made, the names of about a dozen films can easily be included in it. The list begins with Sahnai and ends with Bahurani, between which are evergreen films like Samadhi, Alvela, Parchai, Sin Sinkanki, Bublabo, Anarkali, Nastik, Azad, Yasmin, Amardeep, Naurang, and Isri. These are some of the films which hold a special place in his career. The film music created by Chitlakar Ramchandra with its melodious music and fluidity of emotional songs give us unprecedented pleasure, the science of which remains intact even after almost half a century has passed since the making of his composed films.